Okay, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome to
FamilyMath146a.
FamilyMath146a. Today we're going to talk about the fourth dimension. Does anyone know what the fourth dimension is?
No.
Not really.
Not really? Do you have
I
it
do
in your
not
hand?
know anything about it. Not
Okay.
much.
All right. Well, today we're going to learn about it. And we're going to first start in the 0 dimension. And we're going to go to 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to start by pretending we have a point.
Yeah.
And that's not really a
It's the
point.
zeroth dimension.
What is this instead of it being a point? It's actually what?
Snap cube.
It's actually a snap cube. But we're going to pretend our snap cube moves in time. Okay?
All right.
And it's gonna draw almost like a pen as it moves in time.
Yeah.
We're gonna pretend it moves in time this way. So this is at time 0.
Yep.
And at time 1, it's gonna move over here, but it's gonna leave a trace behind it.
So it'll go like that.
So we have 2 snap cubes now. And now it just keeps sliding across. So at time 2, how many snap cubes are we gonna have?
What? 3.
Yeah, 3. So we're gonna have 3.
And at time 3, how many snap cubes are we gonna have?
4.
4.
That's gonna create a line eventually.
And
Yeah.
at time 5, how many snap cubes are we gonna have?
6.
6.
6 snap cubes. And it just keeps sliding along, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what does it make? The
It'll make-
0-dimensional thing makes
If you have
A line.
a line. And how many dimensions is a line?
1.
1 dimension. So can you understand how a 0-dimensional object slides across and makes a 1-dimensional object? Does
Yeah.
that make sense?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's look at all the little time. Let's pretend we're cutting it with a knife. At time 0, we have a picture that just looks like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
At time 1, we cut it, we have a picture that looks like that,
Yeah.
Yeah.
right?
It looks like 2.
At time 2, we cut it, we got a picture that looks like that.
Yeah. So we have 3 on that side and
So I'm going to make a little chart over here. At time 0,
plus
1,
equal.
2, 3. So at time 0, we got that.
Yeah.
Time 1, we got that.
Yeah.
At time 2, we got this.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
what did we have at time 3?
4 blocks.
Yeah.
4 blocks. We have 4 red blocks laying around anywhere, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Okay. And can you line those up in a little line for me? And that made a line.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's pretty amazing, right?
Yeah.
So now I'm going to start with this 1-dimensional object and make a 2-dimensional object,
Yeah.
okay?
All right.
Are you ready for that?
Yeah. Let's go.